Okay, so if you want to increase the speed in the Adobe Premiere Pro by 2x, here's what you can do. For example, let me just play the video normally and show you how it works.
ये वो एक स्टैंडर्ड डायमेंशन से जैसे कि ये वाला जो प्लान था इसमें मैंने 3 बाय 3 इसका मास्टर बेड लिया यहाँ पे और चिल्ड्रन बेडरूम लिया लेकिन इसका मतलब किसी बेडरूम पूरे 3 बाय 3 में तो मैं एक स्मॉल बेडरूम है इसका मैंने 3.05 ये हमारा स्टैंडर्ड होता है मीटर में लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे कम इसलिए लिया क्योंकि ये जो प्लान था ये छोटा था मतलब एरिया छोटा था तो इस हिसाब से तो ये जो ये सारे के सारे
Okay, so this is actually increases your voice by 2 times. If you press, like here's the thing, if you press the L once, then your speed will increase by 2. If you press it again, your speed will increase by 4. If you press again, your speed gets to the normal. If you press J, your speed gets decreased by 2. If you press the J again, it decreases by 2 again. And if you press anywhere after you double X your speed, it gets to the normal. Like if you pause and click somewhere else and then play, your speed will go back to the normal. So that's how the speed works in the Adobe Premiere Pro. It can increase 2x when you press J. And so one more thing, if you want to make your record yourself like this on the camera on your screen, like how I am looking right now, what you can do is go check out the channel. I have uploaded a video that how you can set up everything in Adobe Premiere Pro to kind of make yourself appear on the Windows screen. You can check that video out. See you in the next one.